In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best window insulation in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which window insulation is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Yotake Opencell Foam. Premium Opencell foam tape made from NBR plus PVC foam product. The air conditioner seal is environment friendly, soft, and also harmful totally free, having remarkable weather resistance, excellent fire resistant, resistance to high or low temperature level, great heat insulation, great noise absorption, can be used from -40 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius. Easy to use. The air conditioning system foam can be placed on top of the device and lower window to press seal for finest insulation, which gives all season protection to seal in climate controlled air, seal out drafts, and also dirt, decreases noise as well as vibration from the exterior. Adjustable and flexible. This bundle includes 1 PCS of 2 in, 1 in, 6.5 foot foam tape. The air conditioner weather strip is very easy, sufficient to customize and cut to dimension with scissors or blade, as well as bend quickly and adapt any type of shape. High strength, outstanding resistance to compression and also deformation, having solid flexibility and also durability. The cooling foam can quickly go back to its original shape after compressing, having excellent buffer or cushion performance, which guarantees lasting shock defense of your equipment. Here is the item number 4, Fowong White Door Foam. 2 rolls in 1 pack foam weather condition seal, includes 2 rolls of 1 or 2 inch wide 1 or 4 tall 13 foot L rubber foam strip, total 26 feet size. This foam climate removing is soft, sufficient to be personalized for numerous uses with scissors or blades, with no sweat for DIY installation. A smart selection to your toolbox. Strong adhesive foam tape, waterproof, non-degumming, updated high glue grid support, and also stacks securely, greater than qualified windows and doors insulation tape. Please note to clean as well as dry the surface area before applying for much better performance. High density weather condition removing closed cell foam seal tape, thick and difficult to press, made from CR foam and neoprene, no damaged product, climate proof, oil resistance, flame retardant, rust resistance, dust proof, shock absorbing, buffering, appear moistening, anti-skidding and insulating. Please measure the appropriate size tapes for the void. Large application foam seal tape. Flowing rubber foam tape is a widely used indoor seal in home window insulation, furniture, garage doors, moving doors, electrical cabinets, audio speakers, playthings, handicrafts, sports tools, heating and cooling, automobile, aquatic, etc. Job well from -50 degrees Celsius to 162 degrees Celsius. The item number 3, Storystore Foam Insulation. Foam insulation tape. The foam seal tape is made from environmental protection product, CR foam, neoprene, which has superb sealing as well as resistance to contortion feature, is toxic free, can be used from -50 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. High thickness foam tape, weather condition proof, oil resistance, immune to rust, dirt proof, shock absorbing, buffering, securing, fire retardant, shock absorbing, noise and also warmth insulation, anti-skidding and shielding. Foam strip application. The adhesive foam strips are widely made use of in various door seals and home window insulation, furnishings, electrical closets, automobiles, speakers, toys, handicrafts, sporting activities devices, etc. Shut cell foam strip, adjustable as well as versatile. The neoprene sponge foam tape is easily sufficient to customize as well as reduce to size with scissors or blade, and also bend easily and comply with any type of shape. Foam weather condition seal. One-sided foam insulation tape is created for both industrial and industrial use. Solid sticky backing, waterproof and non-degumming, sticks strongly, fantastic climate stripping for doors and also windows. The glue foam strips are extensively made use of in different door seals as well as window insulation, furnishings, electrical cupboards, cars, speakers, handicrafts, sports devices, etc. The foam seal tapes likewise can be made use of in digital items, home appliances, hardware tools, glass items, etc. Number 2 in our list, Yotake window insulation. Environmentally friendly. The foam seal tape is made from environmental management product, CR foam, neoprene, which has excellent sealing as well as resistance to deformation attribute, toxic totally free, can be made use of from -50 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. Multipurpose. The closed cell foam strip is climate proof, oil resistant, resistant to deterioration, dust evidence, shock absorbing, buffering, securing, flame retardant, sound evidence, heat insulation, anti-skidding as well as protecting. Commonly made use of. The adhesive foam strips are commonly made use of in various door seal and window insulation, furnishings, electric closets, vehicles, audio speakers, playthings, inventions, sports tools, and so on. Solid adhesive. The foam climate stripping has strong glue support, is waterproof and also non-degumming, sticks strongly, excellent weather condition removing windows and doors. Adjustable and flexible. This plan includes 2 rolls of 1 or 2 in, 1 or 2 in, 6.5 feet foam tape, total 13 feet long. The 2 rolls are packed together in one bundle. The neoprene sponge foam tape is simple enough to personalize and cut to size with scissors or blade, and also bend conveniently as well as satisfy any kind of shape. The top one in our list, MAGZO foam seal tape. High-density foam tape. Weather evidence, oil resistance, immune to corrosion, dustproof, shock-absorbing, noise as well as heat insulation, anti-skidding and insulating. Closed cell foam move. Environment-friendly product, CR foam, neoprene, safety and security foam material supplies all-day security. Foam insulation tape. The temperature level variety is from -50 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. Foam weather condition seal. Strong sticky backing, water resistant as well as non-degumming, stick firmly, excellent climate removing for doors and windows. Foam strip application widely utilized in numerous door seals as well as home window insulation, furniture, electric closets, automobiles, audio speakers, playthings, sports devices, and so on. High density shut foam, solid yet flexible. Peel and stick attribute with excellent bond. A really valuable foam strip with even more application. Excellent padding, audio dampening, window insulation, shock resistance, heat insulation, dampness resistance, chemical deterioration resistance, and more. Extensively used in numerous door and window seals, furniture, numerous automobile or electrical cabinets. Making your life more convenient. MAGZO, your trusted vendor which specializes in supplying screen doors, home window screens, seal strip, climate stripping, trimming shears, and so on. Keeping development is our objective. We are constantly maintains progressing to bring more consumers far better life. Join us, appreciate premium quality life. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best window insulation amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.